case you're wondering, this is the underneath right here. So this is how it's simply attached to the blade. And there's a threaded shaft, and this is like in the other video that I have where it just slides right on. And this is bolted down where I machined the bolt in there. And it just simply spins like that. Spins at 1725 RPM. It's lower than, you know, a normal electric lawnmower, but still cuts the grass though. So that's how that is. And there's four bolts that hold that on like that, and there's 6 that hold the motor onto the back. That's it. Alright, so here's the finished electric lawnmower. I think this lawnmower has this like dark and edgy feel to it. The reason why is because, well, painted it all black as well. And also, there's no safety thing here. It's just a simple switch. That's all. No fancy pullback mechanism. But however, I did repaint it black. Kinda liking the black. Got new engine paint on there. And this is just semi-gloss. And that's a enamel engine paint that's on there. I like the way it came out. So again, that's a Century AC motor. Made in USA. It's good. Spins at 1725 RPM. And this is the 100-foot cord that I got. This is 12 gauge wire. It's also what's on this is 12 gauge. So got a lighted end, so that's nice. It's turned off, and this is how it plugs in right there. Plugs in like so. There it goes. Pretty quiet. See the blade down there. I've used it, runs pretty good. Cuts good as well. I'll make another video of that, of it actually cutting. There's the blade. There you have it.